Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Helix 7 and confirming the transducer connection. This ensures consistent acoustic return. Once done, tap sonar and switch to down imaging because the unit uses different beam patterns than traditional chirp. Make sure to choose the frequency that suits structure detail versus range. Then adjust depth range and sensitivity so returns aren't saturated. This reduces clutter and improves target separation. As you proceed, keep adjustments small and watch how the image responds in real time. Now you refine the image. Reduce gain slightly and raise noise rejection to eliminate speckle, because downsizing gain highlights real structure. Once done, tweak contrast and sharpness until edges of fish arches and timber are distinct. Make sure to set scroll speed and range lines to match boat speed and depth so images don't smear. Use zoom to inspect targets close up, and consider split screen with chirp or dual frequency to keep situational awareness while examining fine detail. Finish by verifying targets. Mark waypoints and make perpendicular passes to confirm structure shape. Once done, use auto zoom or zoom window to lock on fish or cover. Repeated passes give confidence. Make sure to slow the boat for the clearest returns, and if images blur, adjust transducer angle or mounting height slightly. If noise or ghosting continues, check cable connections, eliminate nearby vibration, and test other electronics for interference. This single troubleshooting step fixes most persistent down imaging problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.